Drain cleaning Panorama Hills, Calgary. Welcome to Panorama Hills, Calgary, a beautiful neighborhood in the Northwest. Even in this picturesque neighborhood, everyday problems like clogged drains can disrupt our lives. That's where my Calgary Plumber Ltd. comes to the rescue. With its fleet of well-equipped vans is just a call away. They understand that a clogged drain can disrupt your daily life, and they are committed to solving the problem efficiently. The skilled professionals at Panorama Hills use state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and resolve your drain issues quickly. Whether it's a clogged kitchen sink, a backed-up shower, or a blocked toilet, they've got you covered. My Calgary Plumber, serving Panorama Hills and the surrounding areas, is your go-to solution for drain problems, keeping your life running smoothly. From clogged drains to regular maintenance, they've got you covered. So remember, when life throws you a clogged drain, don't stress, just call our drain cleaning company. For all your drain cleaning needs in Panorama Hills, trust the professionals of my Calgary Plumber. Results may vary based on individual circumstances. Call today at 587-707-0606 for a free quote and let them restore the flow to your life.